Kim Chu, Paolo Avellino movie makes record for highest opening day sales for Filipino film in 2025. Ito ay article ng Philstar Global. Star Cinema's latest romantic comedy movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear, starring Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino. Bisa na Avellino. Avulul ka, di ba? Open strong at the box office, earning 12 million on its first day in 380 cinemas nationwide, making it the highest opening day gross for a local film this year. So, may record ba dito? Sana may record dito nung mataas nung nakaraan. Pero 12 million sa opening, grabe. Divide nga natin sa 500 yon kasi nasa 500 na yung ticket eh. Calculator, 12 million divided by 500, 24,000 na tao. Mababa din pala. Kala ko mataas. Ayun, 24,000 yung bumili ng ticket. Pero yung iba kasi may presyong mababa. SM price kasi ito eh. Diba? Pero at least 12 million, malaki pa rin yun. My Love Will Make You Disappear generated buzz on social media and made it to the trending list on X on its March 25 premiere night, with netizens sharing positive reactions about the movie. Oh, diba? Ito ngayon ang issue na na-delay dahil daw sa script kasi ginapprove ng mga executive. So, ayun, at least bumawi, diba? On its opening day, Kim and Paolo surprised fans by attending several black screenings and personally thanking moviegoers for their support. O, diba? Okay. O, diba? Yun na lang yung comment. Paulo. Star Cinema recently confirmed that 224 black screenings have been scheduled worldwide. O, ang dami din mga nagpapa-black screening ng movie kasi mga pakimpaw-kimpaw dyan, diba? Inaabangan nila isang scene yun nasa trailer. Gusto kayo. The film follows Sari. Tawag dito. Ina-acting ni Kim. An eccentric woman who believes that every man she loves disappears talaga, no? Disappears. She later meets Jolo, na ginagampanan ni Paolo, the heartbroken landlord of the Hanan Homes. Intrigued by Sari's curse, Jolo sees this as an opportunity to escape his pain by making her fall in love with him to finally disappear. So, yun yung ano niya, parang dahil nga si Sari ay may kakaibang experience sa mga pagmamahal at nawawala ang kanyang minamahal, gusto din ni Jolo na mawala, tinry niyang mapa-fall si Sari. Yun yung ano niya. Dito sa explanation nito Hindi ko napanood yung film pero sa explanation nito, yun yung sinasabi dito. Pero syempre ang ending, hindi ko alam, di ba? Gusto mo mag-spoil. Alam mo yung spoiler na parang knowledge spoiler lang based on this. Hindi ko pinapanood yung film pero kaya ko mag-spoil. Directed by Chad Vidanes, My Love Will Make You Disappear also features Melay Candiveros, Wilma Dawson, Lovely Abelia, Benj Manalo, Nico Antonio, Migs Almendras, Martin Escudero, Karina Bautista, Jeremiah Lisbo, Natasha Franco, Kelsey Lasam, and Lucas Andalio. So yun ang ating, yun yung pinakamaiksing natin pinakamaiksing article. Parang 3 minuto lang. So yan, sa mga nakapanood na ng movie, ano masasabi niyo sa movie? Comment down below. Pag-usapan natin, di ba?